We're back with the last 3 letters to do on the Leapfrog Learning Magnetic Train.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
The letter we're going to start with is the letter X.
X says, every letter makes a sound. X says.
The next letter is the letter Y.
Y says you, and Y says I. Every letter makes a sound. Y says you, and I.
Y is for the color yellow. The last letter in the alphabet is the letter Z.
Z says Z says Every letter makes a sound. Z says
The letter Z is for zebra. Now remember, parents, you can get this on Amazon. It's a great learning toy.